Conditional formatting based on color scales in Inforiver Analytics Plus. Start by navigating to Conditional Formatting, then click on Color Scales. Here, you'll see several options: Sequential, Qualitative, Diverging, or Custom. For this example, let's go with Sequential. Now, use the Apply to drop-down to choose the measure you want to format. You can also choose to exclude the total value if needed. Then, choose to apply rule for value or totals. Next, decide where to apply the rule, whether it's the chart, data label, percentage label, or even the x-axis data label. Then, select the measure field the rule should be based on. Want more variety? You can explore additional types like color-blind friendly, continuous diverging, or create your own custom scale. Set your color scheme, adjust the number of bands, and fine-tune the look. You can even reverse the scale for a different visual effect. And that's it. You've successfully applied color scale conditional formatting to your chart, making your data not just informative, but visually compelling. Try it out and bring your data stories to life. Download Inforiver Analytics Plus from Microsoft App Source to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.